You look like a person who has secrets. I'm real good at reading people.
And what have you read about me?
Okay. You got the cars, the clothes, but you can't seem to look me in the eye.
Start by handing me your phone.
You're looking at robberies of jewels, money, or high-value items. I think all of these are the same guy. And he hits every time along the 101 freeway.
There's a courier carrying watches and gems, looking at $11 million in 1 room.
There comes a moment when you realize you don't have as much time as you thought you had.